In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a referral code in Delta Exchange. Now, first off, if you're doing this on the phone, just go to their app and then you want to click on the sign up button. And in there, you'll basically be able to see a box where you can put in your referral code. But if you are not seeing this on the website, so if you're trying to do it on the website over here, see when I click sign up, it says that the discount code has already been applied and I have no option to actually change it. What you have to do, if you're not seeing it, is basically you have to visit the website by clicking on a link from somebody who actually referred you. So if somebody, let's say some of your friend has a referral link who you want to actually use, just let them know that they need to give the referral link and not the code, okay? So whenever you get the referral link, click on that link, and then whenever you come to the website using their link and you click on the sign up button, then you should see that you've used their referral code up here, okay? So that's pretty much the only way you can do it, or of course you can do it inside the app, which will make it to where you can actually see the box to put in the code. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.